Don't tell Ashley, but I'm recording. I want to keep it a surprise.
Hello, Mrs. Pretty.
Actually, I'm recording.
I know.
I got 2 books from the new library. One is Pandora Gets Jealous by whatever. The other one is The Fairy's Promise, Wishes and Wings by Kathleen blah blah blah.
Can you have that one or this one?
Hey, where? I want to get this book. Too bad. Silence and Stone? I don't know which one. Wait, why didn't you get the Pandora one?
Okay, great. This is my book.
His book is The Fairy's Promise one.
It's Flash Family.
Oh, cool. It's a different kind. It's
Yeah,
not
the
the
book
big
I have is second grade. Yeah, this is second grade.
Oh, this is Bunnicula, a rabbit tale of mystery. Today's special.
Okay, the chocolate cake.
I'm going to show you a book.
I found a smoothie card.
Ooh, smoothie card. It's Andy's. I think that's like the store.
Is this yours?
No, that's not mine.
Can I have it?
Just leave it wherever you found it.
Dang it.
Mommy, look it. Merlin, isn't that the movie we were watching last night?
Ashley, there are a lot of things called Merlin.
Oh.
Hobby.
Like we have talked about, a lot of writers borrow the same characters.
Jane. The Young Merlin. Trilogy. Sorry, Megan.
Doesn't this look creepy?
Not that interesting.
How about this one? Does this one look creepy?
The Great Ghost Rescue. That kind of looks creepy. This face,
No.
it's creepy. Ah.
You want to come going here?
Yeah.
What? Your first time?
So,
I thought you were 1 hour ago. I don't know.
I'm gonna show your face, Andrea. Yeah, it already showed your face. It already showed your face.
Look. Can do it.
Let's go somewhere
Let's
else.
go check them out.
Oh, who wants to go? I do. Come on, let's go.
Gonna have you library so hard.
I know. Wait, hold on. Can I get the paper for the library card? Like right now?
Do you know where to ask for it?
No.
Okay.
Okay. Ashley, can you come with me?
I could have.
Okay. She's over there. Let me hold it. No.
Stop.
Let me see. I'm gonna record.
No. I'm not allowed to show my face. I'm not allowed to show my face.
I'm gonna edit it out. I'm gonna put this on YouTube. It's gonna put your face on it, and then you'll be discovered. I have a YouTube account.
Your name is Juliana.
They know that it's in my
You
account.
go to that seminar.
Make sure you get these books returned. Okay. Put this up. Put them up.
Did you get mine? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Oops, this one. Miss Walker, try again. Okay. Put yours up. Oh, not yours. Not
Oh,
yours.
not mine?
No.
Oh.
Wait, stop. How do I remove them?
Yeah, those are mine.
It was step back. Step back.
I think you put that and start over again.
And fallen logic. Huh?
I think you put that and start over again.
I don't know how to pull these out. Would you please stop?
Can't we just let it go?
You're going to make sure you return these, right?
Mhm.
Okay. Otherwise, I will have to hunt you down. I know where you live. Okay, make sure you return.
She left me. We don't know where she lives.
Mhm.
We'll figure it out.
Why do you have to take every single video?
I know.
Well, please join us right now upstairs for an e-book workshop.